Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm still trying to get over my sinus infection. It's taking time and taking too long for it to go away on its own. So I have my Vicks inhaler, so it can help me breathe a little better. I got cough medicine, and I just took Xyzal to help my sinuses a little bit. But I'm thinking I might need something else besides this and the Xyzal and the cough medicine. But I need some maybe antibiotics. But I want to go to the Med Express today, but I can't because my dad took my mom's car, and my car, and to get it checked out. Make sure that nothing was wrong with it, and make sure they have to check the tires to make sure that's not low. Because last time my mom took the car, it had like a nail in it. I said to my mom, "Where did you go with? Where did you go with that there was nails around?" It's like people doing stuff outside on the road crew, those roads, working on roads, possibly can't have a nail. But people are building houses. They use nails to nail in wood with the nail gun. So maybe that's where she probably got from, somewhere around there, where my sister lives, like somewhere around that area. And then probably was now on the road and she didn't see. And I bet you whoever was using that, the person that lost that now didn't even care to come outside on the road to pick it up, so nobody runs it over and it has a flat tire. Unfortunately, my mom ran it over, and yeah, the nail was right inside her tire. And time for us to get new tires, and also our warranty's up on our car. And I have a feeling we might get a new car instead of getting it looked at and checked. We might have to get a new car. So if we get a new car, hopefully my dad can take everything that's in the car we have now, like everything getting shrunk out, everything in the glove box out, everything on the side, the doors out, everything in the pockets of the car, even in those plastic straws. We gotta take them out because my mom uses them when she goes buys drinks. And yeah, I need to get a drink myself. Well, not very much water left. Stay. Okay. Yeah, sorry for not doing a live stream.
What's his rating?
I don't remember for 10 seconds. Anywho, as I was saying, Penguins play this Thursday, their home opener. So don't forget to watch them on Thursday. Watch the Penguins play Thursday night for their first home opener, and root for them to win the home opener. Now we heard that Clint Hurdle got fired, and we also heard the Chicago Cubs. What was his name for Chicago Cubs? They got fired. I forget what his name was. I can't remember what his name was. I know some guy from Chicago Cubs got fired. Yeah, I don't know who his name was. If you know who the manager was for the Cubs, comment down below what his name was that for the Cubs, the manager that got fired for the Cubs. But I know Clint Hurdle got fired, and we still need a manager for the Pittsburgh Pirates. And I don't know who we're gonna get, and hopefully we can get it soon. before spring training comes, because spring training is going to come here like that, real fast. Trust me, spring training is going to be coming fast, and we need a manager before spring training. So hopefully we can get somebody. Maybe get AJ Burnett, maybe, perhaps. Jason Kendall, John Jaso, maybe Jeff Locke, known as Loki. Yeah, I call him Loki. Well, actually, that is his real nickname, too. Because I gave him that nickname, Loki. Yeah, hopefully we can get a manager soon for the Pirates, because without a manager, we can't play baseball. Without a manager. Without a manager, you can't play baseball without a manager. You can't play Major League Baseball without a manager. And what are all the Pirate players going to do without a manager? They have to have a manager in order to figure out who's in the outfield, who's on second base, who's playing first base, who's playing second base, who's playing third base, who's playing shortstop, who's catching, who's pitching, who's going to be the home opener pitcher for the home opener, who's in all rotation. All the players going to stay there with the team. I am not too sure what's going on. At least you guys good. At least when they fired him, when Clinton got fired by our other manager, what's his name? He's the one who always looks for different prospects and finds players and gets them signed a contract. I don't know what his name is. If you guys know what his name is, I'm trying to think of. No Huntington, that's it. No Huntington. If No Huntington should have gave us an update, gives more heads up and tell and try to figure out. You got.
If your son wins his game, my son wins his.
All right.
We'll be playing each other in the final round.
Hold on a minute.
I can hardly wait.
Hey, it's only a game. I'm gonna get myself a tuna fish sandwich. Can I get you a sandwich?
No.
I'm gonna get you a tuna fish sandwich.
I was saying, New Huntington, you need to get a manager to replace Clint Hurdle. Because now we have no manager. Now, if you ask me to be a manager, I don't think I can handle being a manager. I know a lot about baseball. I read about baseball. I've been watching baseball since I was like a little girl. But because I grew up watching Jason Kendall play, Barry Bonds play, Mark McGuire,
He probably sacrificed the position. He's probably.
Mark McGuire. What's the other catcher's name? Mike Piazza. Oh yeah, I go to wait. No one can play for Pirates. I go watching Jay's Andrew McCutcheon play, because he was with on that team when the Pirates were playing at 3 River Stadium. I think I think Neil Walker was there too when they were at the Three Rivers Stadium. I believe so. I'm not too sure if he was or not, but I'm pretty sure he was. So I'll just say I grew up watching him as well. Um, I think when the Pirates were playing at the Three Rivers Stadium, this is before Clint Hurdle became manager. This is when Jim Leland was still manager for the Pirates at Three Rivers Stadium. Because Clint Hurdle never been in Three Rivers Stadium as a manager. Clint Hurdle never, ever been in never been in Three Rivers Stadium as a manager for the Pirates yet. This is before he became the manager of the Pirates. This is when we had Jim Leland as a manager for the Pirates. But Jim Leland, he's probably too old. We don't want to get him back. He's retired. Let him stay retired. You can get Mark Manson. What's his name? The one everybody calls him Batman. What's his name? Oh, I follow him on Instagram too. I can't remember his name. And I listened to the Wake Up song too. Oh, I can't remember his name. He was a pitcher for the Pirates. He retired as a pitcher. I think his numbers went with 34, I believe. I think. Everybody called him Batman because the way he throws the ball like a bat, like one of those whatchamacallit, boomerang bat thingy-majiggers. I think his last name starts with a B. Yeah, his last name starts with a B. But his first name. First name. And his last name starts with a B. I know that. He has 2 sons. I think he also has a daughter as well. I know his last name starts with a B. I think it's last name was. Well, on his Instagram, he goes by Waldo.
Oh, hi, how you doing?
But his last name starts with B.
Yeah, me too. Hey, this is really great.
The children worked very hard getting it ready. I understand.
Sorry for his first name.
From Washington. I think that's
Yeah, it was great.
And his last name starts. I know his last name starts with B.
Yeah, well, he was really impressed with that.
been taking him a lot of places lately.
Well, I think it's good. I think it's important for a kid to travel. You know, it's a great education. They start to realize there's more to the world than Washington Square.
Yeah, he's been talking a lot about Washington Square too. Let's see.
His Wake Up song goes, Jimmy's in bad, something about sing way down below song. That's the Wake Up song. His Wake Up song goes way down below, like ADDC or something like that. That's what it starts to be. I know that.
Is Josh home behind in his schoolwork? He is, but I'm more concerned about other things, like his friendship. There's a problem there? There could be.
Well, is there or isn't there?
Mr. Waitkin, I'm sure he's very good at this chess thing, but that isn't really the issue.
Chess
But
thing?
I'm sorry.
Chess thing.
I'm sure he's very good at it, but it worries me. If I could make an analogy. If it was like, say, oh, I don't know, cards. Peanuts.
Peanut. Oh, peanut.
Because when it starts to, the first last one starts to be.
Bonnie, he's comparing chess to peanut. What am I supposed to say?
She's trying to make it.
Comment down below if you know who I'm talking about.
Maybe he thinks he's spending too much time in it.
Vinny's the drug addict. I'm supposed to listen to his opinion too?
I forget what year he retired.
It's a very bad one. If you want to make a comparison to something,
It wasn't last year, it was the year before last.
Compare it to math or music or art, because otherwise it belittles him and it and me.
No, I don't mean to belittle you at
Oh,
all.
but you are. You are. Even in the way you're looking at me.
Mr. Race, I think perhaps...
You want to know how good he is? I'll tell you how good he is. He is better
In the back of the pocket of high.
than at anything. In my
Oh, heaven knows we've a long way down below. That song
My son has a gift.
is that's supposed to be.
He has a gift, and once you acknowledge that, then maybe we'll have something to talk about.
AJ Burnett, that's it. AJ Burnett.
John,
AJ Burnett, he might become but AJ Burnett, do you think you want to take over as manager for the Pittsburgh Pirates? Because we need a manager for the Pirates, big time. And Neil Huntington is trying his best to try to find somebody to get somebody to become a manager for us. So I'm helping him by doing my YouTube videos and trying to see if I can get the word out. And if you have I'm just saying, I don't know if you have YouTube or not, AJ Burnett, but if you do, don't forget to you can also subscribe to you, and you can subscribe to me if you have YouTube. If I follow you on Instagram as well. I know you're following me back on Instagram. I think you are. I'm not too sure. I have to double check on that one. Anyway,
I'm sure it does. I haven't seen it, but I'm sure it's great.
Anyway,
What do you think?
what's running in the background in my YouTube video? I trying to make. I mean, as a background, like with my YouTube channel. I don't know why I don't have a background in my YouTube channel. I need to figure out what to do about that one. I'm going to see if I can try to find a way to get a background for there. Let's see what kind of picture I need for as a background. Maybe I can get somebody to do that for me, but that's why I need a cameraman for. Anywho, just give it a thought, AJ Burnett. If you want to do it, comment down below if you want to do it. You could comment down below, AJ Burnett, on this video. Let me know if you want to interested in becoming a manager for the Pirates. And I'll let Neil Huntington know, because I'm trying to help him find a new manager for the Pirates, and we're trying our best to. He said that if I know somebody that might want to be a manager, so if you want to, AJ, you can. John J. So if you have YouTube, I know you don't have Instagram, but you should get Instagram, so people will knows things a little bit about you and stuff like that. If you want to become a manager for the Pirates, let Neil Huntington know. Same thing with you, Jeff Locke. We're gonna say Loki. Let Neil Huntington know. There's another person that retired for Pirates besides him. Yeah, but there was somebody else that retired for the Pirates, but I can't remember what his name is. I know besides AJ Burnett, I know that, but I mean, I know John Jason retired, yeah, but there was another guy that, and I know Jeff Locke retired, but there's another Pirate player that that retired as well, and I can't remember what his name is. Or Barry Bonds, if you want to try to be, try to be a manager for Pirates, please.
That's right.
We need something. We need somebody to be a manager. We got to get somebody to be a manager. So let Neil Huntington know. Comment down below, all you retired Pirate players. Jason Candle, same thing with you. Let me know in the comments what you think. What you want to do. If you want to become become the manager, become a manager, official manager for the Pirates. Let me know and Neil Huntington know as well. Comment down below on this video and also DM me in my Instagram, and I'll look and see what's going on, and I'll have to figure out how to get in touch with Neil Huntington somewhere. See if he has Instagram, and if he has it, no, if you have Instagram, follow me on Instagram. If you have YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube. You know what to do. Click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 likes before Halloween. And I think that with your guys' help, vote up here who you think is going to become the manager of the Pittsburgh Pirates. Is it going to be AJ Burnett, John Jaso, Jason Kendall, Barry Bonds, Jeff? I don't know if I chose Jeff Locke, but Jeff Locke is in that category as well. There's bunches of names of Pirate players who used to play for Pirates long time, like play for Pirates that retired this year and last year. Okay, they're on there, and you can choose who you think is going to become the manager of the Pittsburgh Pirates. Because we really need a manager for the Pirates. We really do. We need a manager to take over Clint Hurl's place. We need somebody that can help the team win the games more and try to get pep talks to the players, and let some fans in there to give them pep talks as well if you want to. Let me come in there and do interviews before. I'll wait till the dress, and then you can let me know let me know. You can tell somebody, one of the security guards, know that when you guys are decent, or I could come down and I'll say, Pirate players. Well, I'll shout all those names on there. You know what I mean? All the Pirate player names. And I'll do some interviews with them and try to do like a YouTube interview. If you guys will let me use your internet, because I need a Wi-Fi. So if you guys let me use the Wi-Fi, I'll be able to do a YouTube video, interview on the Pirate players and who they think that's going to take who's going to take Clint Hurl's place, who they think. And also don't forget to follow those Pirate players that I follow as well. Follow all those Pirate players that I follow. Don't forget to subscribe to all those who I subscribe to. Make sure you turn on notifications for them as well. Make sure you watch their videos and get them big thumbs up as well. Comment on my videos, on this video and the videos I did in the past, which would be upside down exclamation mark either over here or over here. I'm not too sure where exactly at, because right now the subscribe button might be on this side or on this side. If it's on this side, then click the subscribe button. If it's on this side, click the subscribe button. But if the upside down exclamation mark is on this side, it'll be on this side. If it's on this side, it'll be on this side. So it'll be on either side. This side or this side. I don't know, you know what I mean? And don't forget to comment on my Instagram posts that I just posted recently. And let me know what you think of them. Because I would love to hear what you have to say on those posts that I just posted on my Instagram. Nobody commented yet. I'm still waiting for comments. Nobody commented on my Instagram posts yet. I'm still waiting for for them to tell me how they like it. Even though it's but I got them from Twitter. Still, sometimes you don't see them on Instagram, so I don't have them on my posts. So I need to just to do something so I got something on my post. Yeah. Don't forget to follow all those Pirate players I follow, the Penguin players I follow, the organizations I follow, all the hockey organizations I follow, all the baseball organizations I follow, including the Pirates. Even though they're not in the playoffs this year, but they're in my playoffs in my head, in my heart. So maybe we can get one of the Pirate players to have all them draw names of the who they want who the like names of the names that all those that retired last year and this year. It's gonna be all in the box in the year for last. Whatever year they retired.
So every other parent in this room.
Look, my nose looks like it's bleeding in the. Oh my gosh! It looks like my nose is bleeding in the thing. It better not be bleeding. I don't have nothing to catch it. Anywho, as I was saying, also we'll have to draw names, and then they'll have to pick the whatever ex-Pirate player or all retired Pirate whatever retired Pirate player from this year, last year, and year for last. Make sure they have their names in there too once they're still alive. Pick out the random names, and then whoever name gets the most votes it will be the manager for the Pittsburgh Pirates. So if Jason Campbell gets more votes, he'll be the manager for the Pirates. But if AJ Burnett gets more votes, he'll be the manager for the Pirates. If John Jason gets more votes, then he'll be the manager. If Barry Bonds gets more votes, he'll be the manager. If all those Pirate players that play for the Pirates, or it could be anybody that play for the other teams too. Could be, I don't care who it is, as long as somebody that played baseball before and knows all about baseball. It could be Mark McGwire, whoever. Okay, those ones I grew up watching. We're gonna have those names in there. The ones I grew up watching. Their names are gonna be in there. And whoever wins the most votes will be the manager for the Pirates. And the ones that get the less votes, they will have to wait till close time for us to let the other guy, the new coach, go. But we're not letting him go right away because he has to either he can retire. No, when you become coach, if you've been playing since you're like a coach, been a manager for like a long certain time, a period of time. Yeah, you can either take a choice to retire, quit, or we can fire you. Well, I don't know why we want to fire. I don't know why Clarence got fired, but that's kind of ridiculous. But guess what had to be done had to be done. So don't forget to comment down below who you think is going to become the new manager out of the ones I said, and don't forget to vote in the polls. And don't forget to watch some of my other videos as well, and tell me what you think. And also go on my TikTok videos and watch those my TikTok videos and react to them and tell me how much you like them, and also comment on my TikTok videos. And also go on my Instagram post and tell me what you think about my Instagram post. And comment on them as well, and follow me on Instagram. And you have to make sure, if you request to follow me, you have to have a decent picture. I do not like seeing naked women on as a profile. That is obscene. Okay, I don't know why whoever has that profile doesn't get banned from Instagram because it's not appropriate. They told you everybody when Instagram became popular, they said you have to have the perfect profile. You have to make sure the profile is not too porno, make with all like naked women or anything. You can't have anything like that. You have to make sure it's decent, like you can have, like I have safe, and it's okay because it's not bad, and that's perfect. I have Bitmoji. If you also want Bitmoji merch, go on bitmoji.com, and link is going to be in the description. I'll put that in the description before after I'm done with this video. I tried it before, and yeah. So some of you guys that are mods for like Heather's Hauntings, Angie the Green Eye Angel, Blue Rock, Urban Ghost Urban Legends, Joe and Rob, Patty from G Team. Those James the Sharpshooter. Can you try to put my link in the next time if Angie goes live or whoever goes live, whichever one goes live, Angie or her mom or Patty or Heather or Joe and Rob or Lou Rock, please put my links of my YouTube name in the links, and my Instagram name and my TikTok name, so people can see that and they know that way I'll get more subscribers that way. Because I need more subscribers. I want to try to get my first YouTube PLACK button with 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 likes. I can't do that. I can't get that without all your guys' help. With all you guys' help, you guys gotta do this. You guys gotta subscribe to me. Be nice enough to subscribe to me. Now, you guys think you guys think that I keep every time I try to say something to Angie, I get somehow put time. I get it says I'm in timeout. Why am I in timeout? Stop putting me in timeout. I'm not a troll. I'm a real person. Maybe my picture on the picture on a profile picture doesn't show the real me. It's my emoji picture. Okay? It's my Bitmoji picture. I chose that for my profile. I don't want to show my real face because there's like I said, there's sex predator, there's predators out there that are that rape kids, sex predators, and do not want me to be part of that. Okay, that's why I don't show my real face, because I don't want to have any of those child molesters coming after me and try to molest me. Okay, I don't want to hear Lisa Fabian, the paranormal investigator, got molested by a child molester. Now, if you hear that, you're just gonna think, what did we do to deserve this? Wow, you think about it. Putting your picture on your profile on YouTube. It's gonna link. If it's short enough, all child molesters, they do have YouTube. They see that picture and they know who you are, and they'll come after you and try to kidnap you and molest you. And that's not good. I don't want to be the next victim of child molestation. I don't want to be the next victim of of somebody coming and I don't want to be the next victim on child molesters list. I'd rather be playing safe and do with my Bitmoji pictures. It's easier that way and it's safe. So I do it for my Instagram and my YouTube and my TikTok. I play safe. I don't show my real picture of me. Because you got to think, there's child molesters out there. You don't want anybody to come and try to take your child away from you, or you kidnap you and they can molest you as well. You know, it might not be a child, but you might be an adult. They can still do the same thing to adults. So let's not let anybody become a victim of a child molester list. Okay. All right. Oh, my mouth is so dry. Oh. No, I can't. I like a drink, but I don't want to take you in the kitchen with me. So I'm gonna have to end this video soon. I'm gonna lose my voice here, so you can see that's why I'm trying to cut it short, because I'm losing my voice. Because you guys can hear how my voice sounds. I sound terrible. I sound really horrible. And yeah, as this as my sinuses, they're affected big time, and it's not getting any better. It's not going away on its own. Affected sinuses are not going away on its own. It's taking its toll to stick around for a long time, which I'm tired of it, and I wish it would just, that this sinus infection will go away, so I can be able to talk to you guys better without me using this like how I sound now, and trying to sound like I'm losing my voice, which I almost am. I'm ready to lose my voice. So if you guys are nice enough, please subscribe to me. You have 10 seconds to click the subscribe button. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you should have the subscribe button on to gray, which said subscribed. Now you see a bell that's not clicked. It's not, nothing's there, and you don't have the notification turned on. So you have 10 seconds to turn on the notification bell.
But he's not weak.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you should have the notification bell turned on so you know when I'm going to upload my new video. Like I said, I told you I was going to do my YouTube video after breakfast, and I did. It just took me a while to get myself moving around this morning. I had to get a shower because I have... Okay, no guys better not hear this. Please don't ban me from this. My monthly. Okay? I have my monthly. Now those girls, they're trying to show their body parts to me, thinking I'm gay or a guy. I have my period. I have my monthly right now. I have on a pad. I got my monthly. So what does that tell you? I'm a girl. So anywho. Hold on a second, let me get my fixing here in here. Please don't ban me for doing this.
Hey, Josh. What happened to your room?
I don't know.
a little bit better, but not as much. It's not gonna help my voice or anything. It's gonna help me breathe better.
You could give it up, and that's all right with me.
I don't want watching some kid who plays chess. I don't know what the movie is.
In fact,
I just turned it on. Not on TV anyways. That's probably why they have YouTube now, so that because there's nothing on TV. Kids are into YouTube videos, and that's why they can watch YouTube videos. That's why they don't have very much on TV. So, yeah.
no,
So
that's what I'm saying. You don't.
But you told me I did.
Well, I'm telling you now that you don't.
that's why I love you guys.
Why?
Because I have to.
Why? It doesn't mean anything. It's just a game.
Chess gave to you, buddy, but not to him. Chess is more than a game. When you're in a chess tournament, you're playing for a trophy, and you want to win that trophy. That's probably why he wants to still play, because he wants to win a trophy. That's probably why he's not gonna give up. So when he wins that trophy, he'll have that trophy on his room to be proud of that trophy. And when he gets older and has kids of his own, he can show his kids the trophy that they won for chess tournaments. I know how to play chess, but I'm not gonna try to, ask you guys to play, play chess with me, in real life. Okay.
It belongs to you.
Just wait for a while until we can do it. If I can figure out when to do a meet and greet, because I have no clue what I'm gonna do with that. I have to do meet and greet sometime, because all the YouTubers are doing meet and greet. I'm a YouTuber. I should be able to do it. So I don't know where we're gonna do the meet and greet, because not too many people come this direction. I don't see very many people from YouTube come this direction. To see to come and do a meet and greet around this area. So when I figure it out, I'll let you guys know when the meet and greet is going to be, and I'll let you know, on my next video. I'll let you know in my next video when my next meet and greet is going to be. I don't know when it'll be. I don't know how I'm trying to figure out how to get you guys to get all of my fans out there to come here. All of the other YouTubers to come out towards this direction. You know what I mean? Like towards Pittsburgh area. That's where it's gonna be, down Pittsburgh area. But I have no clue when I'm gonna do this meet and greet. I'll let you guys know in my next video. Alright? I'll let you guys know in my next video, because it tends to take time for me to figure this out. Okay? And now I think it's moving again on its own. And that is going back and forth again. Yep. Alright, guys. You know what to do. Stay awesome. And share the love. And also stay vigilant. You know what to do. Stay awesome. And share the love. Peace. I'll catch you in my next video. Share the love. Stay awesome. Share love. Peace. Woo!